Hey guys, so check this out. I stumbled upon this mind-blowing story about the birth of the internal combustion engine, and it's absolutely insane. Picture this. It's the 1860s, and this Belgian dude named Étienne Lenoir is tinkering away in his workshop. He's about to create something that'll change transportation forever. Just imagine the moment when his clunky machine first sputters to life. It's the granddaddy of every car engine on the planet. Now, you might be wondering, dude, what's the big deal? Well, here's the crazy part. This thing used coal gas as fuel and had this simple yet genius design with a single cylinder and an electric spark. It was like the first ever explosion in a can that could actually do work. And get this, it inspired all the big names that came after, like Otto and Benz. So next time you start your car, just think about how that little vroom is connected to Lenoir's awesome invention from over 150 years ago.